Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we turn off do not disturb in our Samsung phone. Friends you want to off your do not disturb settings so friends you can off it, and friends now let's see how to off do not disturb in our Samsung phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys we will on our phone setting to off do not disturb, then guys scroll it. Guys, click on guys your notification setting guys, tap here. Friends again scroll. Friends you can see do not disturb setting, friends tap here. Friends you can see do not disturb mode is enable, means on. So when you want to off, so you can off from here. So you can see do not disturb mode will off in your Samsung phone. So once you can use guys your mute calls and atal except for your selected experiences. So guys your do not disturb mode will off in your Samsung mobile guys. So thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet in the next video. Bye friends.